Dear students, good morning everyone. In this lecture, I am going to teach the second assignment of air pollution and control. The first question is, a plume is characterized by a tight vertically constrained layer of air pollution coming from a point source is called. So, what is the meaning of plume haze? Plume haze is defined as a dense, vertically limited layer of air pollution emitted from a single point source. So, obviously, A itself is the answer for question number 1. And layered haze means it is a confined layer of pollutants that creates visible contrast between that layers and the sky landscape behind it. That is visible contrast layers between that layer and sky or landscape behind it. And uniform haze means sky or landscape. So in unstable atmosphere, flumes and layers mix with the surrounding atmosphere. So when plumes and others are mixed with the atmosphere, then it will create uniform haze. So for the question 1, answer A. That is, it is a dense vertically limited layer of air pollution emitted from a single point source. So when the source of is a single point, it is called as a plume haze. Answer A for question number 1. Coming to question number 2, it is significant concern in climatology since recent albedo dash in the Arctic has increased heat and dash at the surface resulting ice melting. That is, albedo decrease in the albedo in Arctic, and it is absorption at the surface resulting ice melting. So albedo decrease in Arctic has increased heat and absorption decreases. So decreases and absorption. Answer B for question number 2. Coming to question number 3, types of marine salts are obviously all the given salts: sea salt, sulfate salt, sulfate aerosol, nitrate aerosol, and mineral dust. So these are all the types of marine salts. Answer D for question number 3. Coming to question number 4, which of the following air pollution sources is the natural source of air pollution? So that is coming to pollen grains. So pollen grains are the very minute particles that will get mixed in the atmosphere by trees. It is a natural process. And waste burning is a artificial process. Automobiles, it is a artificial process. Power plant, it is also a artificial process. These are all not natural, artificial processes. And pollen grains is a natural process. It is a natural process of air pollution. So answer A for question number 4. Coming to question number 5, which of the following processes of formation of air pollutants only includes physical mechanism? So that is metal catalysis. Coming to first option, metal catalysis. Metal catalysts are recognized as the most important factors in accelerating lipid oxidation in dairy products. So here in metal catalysis, the process will takes place is oxidation. Oxidation is a chemical process. And ionization. So ionization means electrically charged. So it is also a chemical process. And volatilization means it is nothing but conversion of liquid into vapor. So conversion of liquid into vapor. So when the liquid is getting converted into vapor, there is no change on the composition. So it is completely related to physical mechanism. So answer C for question number 5. And hydrolysis means it is a chemical breakdown of compound due to reaction with water. So it is a chemical reaction. Answer C for question number 5. Coming to 6. In the troposphere, dash is the only known compound that can produce oxygen atom during its photo dissociation at available radiation. Obviously, in the troposphere, the most available is nitrogen. So, because of its dissociation, photo dissociation, it will produce oxygen atom. So, answer A for question number 6. Coming to question number 7, if the atmospheric temperature increases with constant pressure, air density will start. So, here the condition is constant pressure. And temperature increases. So air density will decrease. So answer B for question number 7. Coming to question number 8. So meteorological parameters and measuring devices he has given. So generally we know rainfall is measured with tipping bucket. So it is C2. And wind speed measured with anemometer. So it is sonic anemometer. Wind speed anemometer. So it is A, it is 3. And temperature is measured with C2 A3, C2 A3, and B for temperature is measured with thermometer. So temperature thermometer, it is B4. And D, it is 1. The remaining is solar radiation is measured with pyranometer. Solar radiation is measured with pyranometer. So it is D1. So answer B for question number 8. Coming to question number 9. Dry adiabatic lapse rate. So dry adiabatic lapse rate means when we are moving from bottom to top, air temperature decreases, and even pollutant temperature will also decreases. So adiabatic lapse rate means how much decrease in temperature for 1000 meter, that is for 1 kilometer, while we are moving from bottom to top. So its value will be 9.8 degrees centigrade for 1000 meters. Okay, so it is answer A for question number 9. Coming to question number 10, he has given a condition, that is, this is environmental lapse rate. This is dry adiabatic lapse rate, and this is saturation adiabatic lapse rate. So here ELR is greater than DALR, and saturation adiabatic lapse rate is a fixed. Okay, so when ELR is greater than dry adiabatic lapse rate ALR, it will be indicate absolute instability. Absolute instability. Okay, so answer B for question number 10. Or else if ELR is less than dry adiabatic lapse rate, so that will cause absolute stability. Okay, thank you.